everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to interview and maybe declutter my face palettes. So let's get started. The beginning of 2020 I had 13 face palettes. Now I know that has changed, so I'm not sure where we're at. So let's just start going through them. First I have my Kat Von D, well KVD now, Shade and Light Contour Palette. This is not going anywhere. You guys know this is my favorite. I replaced this one. It was Sombre, and I actually purchased Taupe to put in there. So you can see it's cooler toned than the rest of the palette. I do have the replacement for this one, but I still have some in there. It's not going to last me much longer, but it's still hanging on. This one, it totally went away. I'm not sure if I'll replace these powders. I'm trying to use those up as well. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Keeping that. Next, let's see. Let's see what I got new. I got these two new from Aiden. This is the Girls Getaway Trio and the Manizer Sisters. Whoa, I just stuck my thumb in that. But yeah, there we go. There are the Getaway Trio, and these are the highlighters. I am keeping those. And if you guys hear a noise, my puppy is with me. Also, I just got this one from Aiden, the Laura Geller. So I am going to hang on to that for sure. This is my MAC Holiday from 2019. Love this. Hanging on to that. Now, let's see where we're at. This, I think, is from 2017. Don't judge me, but I'm keeping it. Powders to me last longer. And these are performing great for me. So I am hanging on to this. There we go. I am hanging on to my Hourglass. This one is from 2018, I believe. Yes, 2018. This one is. It's, let me see if I can tell what it is. Ambient Light Edit Volume 4. So I'm going to keep that. Okay, I have this Cover FX palette. The Perfector Face Palette. Light Medium. Oh yeah, I forgot. Every time I forget about this, when I see the cover, I'm like, yeah. But then when I open it, I'm like, oh yeah, I really need to use this. I need to pull this out and use it. I think I might add that to a project pan. I think I will. Next, I have this It Cosmetics face palette. I'm reading it. Je ne sais quoi is all I see. That must be the name of it. That's so pretty. I'm going to keep this. I know, puppy. Mommy's keeping everything. Again, this is 2017, maybe? The Color Wheel from Tarte. I don't have a number. It says it has a shelf life of a year, and I have had it over a year. But I'm going to keep it. You know what? Maybe I should project pan this instead of the Cover FX. Let me think about that. You'll see in my project pan what I decide to do. I have these from LA Girl. I have the Glow and the Glam, and I do like these. Although you can see I barely used them. I really need to pull them out and use them more. But I'm going to hang on to them. I'm not doing so hot. This is my Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. I'm going to hang on to that. Okay, now, here we go. Lovecraft Beauty Blush Palette. Those are pretty. I was thinking about decluttering them, but I think they're just pretty shades. I like those shades. Okay, I'm keeping this. Oh, I'm not doing such a good job, am I? Of decluttering. And then last, this Tardis Pro Glow. I have already made up my mind. This one is going away. I'm just not liking it. I don't care for those. I don't care for either one of these highlighters or these bronzers are shimmery. I don't like a shimmer bronzer. And these two blush, I have plenty of Tarte blushes. Well, you just saw I have a whole thing of blush. So, Tardis Pro Glow is being decluttered. So, let's see. I had 13 face palettes starting the year. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11. I have 14. That sounds about right because I did gain 3. So this is the first one of my declutters where I have more than what I started with. And actually I'm kind of all right with that. So that is it for my face palettes. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Down below, let me know how you're doing with your face palettes and what your numbers are. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.